Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola 40 now, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device using household items. Firstly, remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So, firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have the cover. Then insert the bottom part of the brush to the connector and just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.